Hey guys, welcome back to Brainheaters. I am Riddhi and in today's video we are going to study about how to pass CS1 in 1 to 2 days. तो जैसा कि हम सबको पता है कि यूनिवर्सिटी टाइम टेबल चेंज हो चुका है और अभी हमको 4-5 डेज का लीव नहीं है. इंस्टेड वी ओनली हैव 1 to 2 डेज का गैप. सो नाउ द क्वेश्चन अराइजेस कि अब कैसे पढ़ेंगे, क्योंकि मोस्ट ऑफ अस मतलब हमारी आदत क्या होती है कि एक वीक पहले पूरा रात जागो एंड पूरा सिलेबस कंप्लीट कर दो. बट अभी तो हमारे पास सिर्फ रिविजन को भी मतलब इतना ज़्यादा टाइम नहीं है. तो अब कैसे पढ़ें? सो डोंट वरी, वी हैव एन एग्जैक्ट प्लान फॉर यू, जो अगर आपने फॉलो कर लिया तो अब स्कोर तो आराम से कर सकते हो CS1 में. ठीक है. सो दिस प्लान इज़ कि हमने आपके लिए 4 सेक्शंस डिवाइड किए हैं जिसमें आपका पूरा इंपॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चन का लिस्ट कवर हो जाता है. यू जस्ट हैव टू फॉलो दोज सेक्शंस एंड देन यू कैन स्कोर रियली नाइस इन CS1. So let's get started, wherein the first question is compare open loop and closed loop control systems. Okay, this can come for 5 to 10 marks. Next is write the numerical for stability analysis using root locus. This can come for 10 marks. Next is write the numerical for rules for plotting root locus or open loop transfer function. This can come for 10 marks. Next question is what is Nyquist stability criteria or numerical for Nyquist plots. This can come for 5 to 10 marks. And the last question for section 1 is write the numerical for bot plot. Okay, so these are the 5 questions you need to complete in section 1. Once you're done with section 1, go to section 2, wherein the first question is write the numerical for reduce the block diagram given below to a single block diagram representing transfer functions. This can come for 5 to 10 marks. Next question is write the numerical for obtain Laplace transform solution. This can come for 5 to 10 marks. Next question is write the numerical for convert the given block diagram into signal flow graph using Mansion's rule. This can come for 5 to 10 marks. Next question is write the numerical for alternative representations in state space. This can come for 5 to 10 marks. Next question is write the numerical for state space representation of electrical and mechanical systems. This can come for 5 to 10 marks. So these are the 5 questions you need to do in section 1. Once you're done with section 1, section 2, move to section 3, wherein the first question is write the numerical for sketch the polar plot of transfer functions. This can come for 10 marks. Next question is write the numerical for steady state error for unity feedback systems. This can come for 5 to 10 marks. Next question is write the numerical for absolute and relative stability using Root-Hurwitz criteria. This can come for 5 to 10 marks. Next question is evaluate the static error constants of the following systems and find the expected error for the standard step, ramp and parabolic inputs. This can come for 5 to 10 marks. And the last question for section 3 is determine the range of K for the following system to be stable. B. Can the systems be marginally stable? If so, find the required value of K and the frequency of sustained oscillations. This can come for 5 to 10 marks. So these are the 5 questions for section 3. Let's go to section 4, wherein the first question is derive the formula for rise peak and setting time and percentage overshoot for a system order system. Okay, this can come for 5 to 10 marks. Next question is explain angle and magnitude condition. Also explain the steps to find intersection points of root locus with imaginary axis. This can come for 10 marks. Next question is compare open loop and closed loop control system with the help of suitable examples. This can come for 10 marks. Next question is write advantages of using state space analysis over classic control approaches. This can come for 5 to 10 marks. And the last question is write a short note on time response specifications. This can come for 5 to 10 marks. So guys, these were the most important 20 questions that you have to do before you go for CS1. So now the question arises that how do we complete all of this? So don't worry, we are coming up with a series wherein we'll tell you how to plan the entire exam schedule, how to complete numericals, how to study for theory questions, etc. So make sure you stay tuned tuned and subscribe the channel right now so that you don't miss out on that. Till then, you can also refer the Brainheaters study materials that we have on our website, that is Brainheaters question banks, Brainheaters question papers, and Brainheaters blueprints, wherein in question banks we have the important questions module wise shortlisted for you. So once you go and check on the website, you will get to know, okay, module 1 में ये important है, module 2 में ये important है. Accordingly, in Brainheaters question papers, what we have done for you is we have applied a color scheme जिससे आइडिया लगेगा. अभी सपोज जो बहुत बार रिपीट हुआ उसको रेड कलर स्कीम है, तो जो जो क्वेश्चंस रेड में है यू विल गेट टू नो कि वाओ ये बहुत बार रिपीट हुआ है. Just an example, okay? Suppose 3 times is pink. So you get to know, okay, this question is repeated 3 times, so it means that is important, and accordingly you can study. And in Brainheaters blueprints, what we have done for you is we have, an approximate paper model. For example, question 1 में module 2, 4, 5 आएगा. Question 2 में 1, 2 आएगा. Accordingly, so you can go through the blueprints and get an idea, okay, this module is important, I need to focus on that, क्योंकि हर question में ये आता ही है. Accordingly, so once you're done with all this, like, we guarantee you that you can score more than 50 in CS1. So make sure you do all of this and don't worry, you'll easily score. Okay, if you like this video, make sure you share it with your friends. If you have any doubts or any queries, you can join our WhatsApp community. Link is in the description. If you have any doubts regarding this subject, make sure you attend our live sessions on Instagram. Link is in the description. Okay, so now what you have to do is you have to prepare really well for this subject. Share this video with your friends and subscribe the channel right now so you don't miss any videos. Till then, stay tuned and bye-bye.